Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we have a beautiful embroidered quilt top here with the Noah's Ark theme. It is absolutely cute and adorable. My customer puts the embroidery right in the center and then builds blocks all the way around them. So what she likes for me to do is just pretty much a little circle or loop meander to go around, but don't go through her beautiful embroidery. Okay. So we got a lovely little bone colored thread, which kind of adds like a little silvery tone because I see that in her little background here. I think it's a really cute fabric. I think we recognize that fabric. And we're just going to plug away here, okay? Now it's off the belts. It's all loosey-goosey. Oh, I wanted to make a little point here first before I forget, is that this backing here, it actually was panel pieced. So, not panel pieced, it was pieced in a way that it was exact all the way around. So as most of you know, when you're loading a long arm, you try and go from the top to utilize as much material as possible, or utilize the material, and then work your way down. Well, this one I actually had to set down about 4 inches, and then there's 4 inches on the hopefully. And I was hopefully to accommodate for rolling of the fabric and everything else like that. Let's see if hopefully I did okay. So, but I did try and space it in between here as perfect as possible, line it up the center all the way down to the fabric. So hopefully I've got it pretty close to the center of this backing as much as possible. That is always a challenge. Okay, we can just start off anywhere because we're going to come back and fill in things if we miss things. It's not a big deal. Okay. And then stitches per inch and off the belts, and here we go. Like I said, just a little loop. Just getting yourself around, nothing too exciting. Toss in a heart every now and again. Smooth motions. The key is not to go through the embroidery. We can come close to it, we can highlight it, we just don't want to go through it. And you just relax, and you kind of look where you want to go, and try not to stress about getting there. Such pretty little border fabric here. I don't think I've ever seen that fabric before. Oh, that's a cute one. It's got bunny rabbits and lions. Oh, how adorable. That beautiful rainbow. Now, who wouldn't want a lovely homemade quilt with such special meaning behind it? All right, and leave off on the side where you started on the side, sort of thing. Okay, just go right off the quilt. It's the best way, for sure. Aren't these adorable, though? Just got some little chickens and sheep down here. Probably could see those. Little kitty cat trying to get in the basket there. And cute little birds. There we go. We got some other really cute ones here, too. Got penguins and a really nice set one in the middle of Noah's Ark. So very cute and adorable animals. I love working on these for her just because they are so special and so sentimental to her and her family, and she just puts so much work into every single one of these. I know what it takes just to do like a few words on a big stitch out sort of thing, and it takes 20 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes. So to have something as small and detailed as this, I mean, look at the little snails. Like, come on, so cute. It takes time and patience, let me tell you. And of course, there's all stabilized behind each one of these embroideries here. So if you were to do something, make sure it is stabilized. You may even want to stabilize the block afterwards, depending on what the quilt project you want to be working with or want it to do, depending on what it is. If you want maybe a little bit stiffer, you could have it as a wall hanging, that sort of thing. Would be making something really nice and special for somebody, whether you even hand embroider it or you machine embroider it, all right? So that is our Wednesday show. Thank you, everybody, for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I'm going to encourage everyone to please leave a comment for this video, because those who do will be, those names will be drawn on Saturday, our 12-hour live stream, somewhere midday, and you're going to win yourself a t-shirt. Now, it's your choice whether you want a Team Cheese, Team Chocolate, or a Mom and Pop Quilt Shop t-shirt. It's completely up to you. You get your size, your color, whatever it is that you like. But one of you lucky ones who's going to leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up is going to win. And we appreciate every single one of you. Thank you, everybody. Take care, and we'll see you Friday video and then Saturday for our 12 hours, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern. Take care, everybody. Big hugs. We'll see you soon.